Got the tops for the leaf springs. Let me get those all straightened out. Get some of the tabs welded back on for the shocks. And then those are the plates that are getting welded back into the frame. Got some spare parts. Picked up 8B71. Gonna use that intake to go back to the firewall so we can pull intake air from outside the cab of the truck with that blower flap. Gonna use that oil pan. The other one's rusted out really bad. Two of the things I'm gonna use off that engine. I can use the exhaust manifolds. I'm gonna use this oil cooler and this oil filter and this test stand to put that engine on. Go ahead and change the rear seal, the front seal, start it up and test run it. So, that's the plans for this one.